Hey guys, in this video I will compare Typedream versus Framer. So I will give an in-depth comparison about the two software tools. Basically, we are going to answer the question, which software is better? First of all, I don't want to say that there is a specific software better, but it all depends on your needs. So basically, if you have a small business, maybe that software is better. And if you have big dreams, big plans, big goals, maybe that software is better. So it all comes down on what you want. So let's first look at the technical details of the software. So first, access monitoring. So 24/7 live rep. Both Typedream and Framer do not offer this, as well as the business hours, both not available in Typedream and Framer. It's both online. The contact number, or address, Typedream is located in San Francisco and Framer is located in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. And the IPA is not available in Typedream, but it is in Framer. And I think that's very important. If you want to really scale your business, create a big business, it's very important that the software that you are using offers an IPA, because it can always be very useful. So it's kind of sad that Typedream does not offer an IPA, but maybe in the future they will. But Framer does offer an IPA. All right. Now the deployment. So the SaaS, web, and cloud, both Typedream and Framer offers that. Deployment Android and iOS. Framer offers that, but Typedream does not. Windows and BlackBerry, both software, do not offer that, but I think that's not that necessary. So now let's look at the deployment. Installed Windows and installed on Mac. Yes, Framer has it installed. Framer does not, or Typedream does not. Now let's look at the type of customers. So basically, what type of customers, um, yeah, are going to what software, or what type of customers can go to that software. So individuals, you can, if you're an individual, you can go to Typedream as well as Framer. Freelancers, you can go to Framer, not to Typedream. Large enterprises, Typedream is not, it's not, they are not eligible, or they do not offer plans for large enterprises, but they do for medium businesses as well as small businesses. But if you are a large enterprise, you can go to Framer. Now let's look at the pricing of both softwares. So the pricing module first. So Typedream does not offer a free trial. Framer does, but it's kind of different because both softwares offers a freemium plan. So basically, you can launch your website, you can create everything basically, unless uh, yeah if you can only not do a few features, because then you need a premium plan. But you can literally launch your website with Typedream, only it's a branded domain name and a few premium features that you cannot use. But I think freemium is really nice. So one-time license, it's not very common in the website niche, but they do not offer that subscription. So both softwares offer a subscription-based model. So you need to pay monthly or yearly. Basically that's it. Quotation based. So so basically that pricing module is based on how many visitors, or how many clients, or how many customers are visiting your website, or your store, etc. So basically based on that you can pay. So quotation based. Now let's give an individual comparison, so more in depth. So let's look at the technical details of Typedream. So first, the support is online. The customer type is individual, medium business, as well as small business. IPA is sadly not available. The location is, like I said, San Francisco. Deployment SaaS Web Cloud. Official website typedream.com. Category is a website builder software. And now let's look at Framer. The support is as well as Typedream online. Customer type, a lot of more kind of customers, as for example, individuals, freelancers, large enterprises, medium businesses, small businesses. IPA is locally available, or yeah, they offer an IPA. The location is based in the yeah, in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Deployment is SaaS Web Cloud, mobile, Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. Official website is framer.com. Category is graphic design and software. All right, now let's look at the pricing. So, as you can see, this is the pricing of Typedream, and when you pay, or you can choose the free plan, so you can literally yeah, build unlimited pages, but only one publishable page. So, yeah, keep that in mind. You can just build a very cool website, but only one page um, you can publish to the web, but it is free, so you can get started with your website. You can build a very nice site with a lot of features, but only a brand and domain name. But when you choose for the monthly plan, you pay $15 per month, and you can, yeah, you get unlimited publishable pages, a custom domain name, team collaboration, SEO, metadata, and code injection, which is pretty cool. All right, now let's look at their yearly pricing. So you save a bit. So as you can see, it is instead of $15 per month, it is $12 per month when you choose the yearly plan. All right, now let's look at Typedream. So as you can see, when you pay yeah, yearly, you save 20%. So you can of course choose the free plan. So it's, yeah, completely free. $0, or you can choose the pro plan, and you get of course everything free, and you get unlimited projects, custom templates and fonts, unbranded share links, private share links, and private embeds. So you can choose for that, or you can choose the custom plan, but that's for, yeah, enterprises. So now let's look at the conclusion. So first, like I said in the beginning, it all comes down on your needs. There is not a specific software or tool better. It depends on what you want. All right, Typedream or Framer. If you have big plans and goals with your business and you really want to scale it, then choose Framer. But if you want to build a website for your side hustle or small business and you don't have that much experience in building websites, then choose Typedream. If you want to get started with Typedream or Framer, please check out the link in the description. So when you click the link in the description, yeah, you support the channel when you sign up for a paid plan. Yeah, much appreciated. So please choose, yeah, well, choose well, and yeah, you always can switch later on. But I think, yeah, if you have big goals plans, choose Framer, but Typedream, you can also create really cool sites. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.